If you are a football fan and you think that you know everything about football, this video is for you. Before beginning, we would like to tell you that we are starting a new series in which we will be covering different facts about various things. So, stay tuned and keep watching. Football, or soccer, as the game is called in some parts of the world, has a long history. Football in its current form rose in England in the middle of 19th century, but the alternative version of the game existed much earlier and are a part of football history. The world's oldest football competition is FA Cup, also known as Football Association Cup. The first official international football match took place in 1872 between Scotland and England in Glasgow. And this picture is from the first ever international football match. As told earlier, this match involved England and Scotland and it ended in a draw with no goals from any side. It was followed by 4,000 people in Hamilton Christian Ground in Glasgow. Now, there are different sizes of football from size 1 to size 5. Size 1 and size 2 are mainly used for decorative purposes, while size 3 to size 5 are used in playing field, with size 5 being the official size for international matches. Its diameter is around 22 cm, while its circumference should be between 68 to 70 cm. Now let's talk about dimensions of football field. According to stipulations from FIFA, a football field should have specific minimum and maximum dimensions. The length should be between 100 yards and maximum 130 yards, while the width has to be minimum 50 yards and maximum 100 yards. FIFA is an acronym for Football International, the Football Association. It was founded in 1904 to oversee international competitions among National Association of Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland outside Olympic Games. Before 1904, football was played in Olympic Games and did not have any association of its own. Its headquarters is in Zurich, Switzerland, and currently 211 national associations are its members. Now, we will see when the first ever Football World Cup was played. On 28 May 1928, the FIFA Congress in Amsterdam decided to stage a World Championship itself, with Uruguay, now 2 times official football world champions, and to celebrate their 100 years of independence in 1930, FIFA named Uruguay as the host country of inaugural World Cup Championship. The latest World Cup was the 2018 FIFA World Cup, hosted by Russia. It was won by France, beating Croatia by 2 goals in regulation time. And the next World Cup, the 2022 FIFA World Cup, is scheduled to be 22nd edition of FIFA World Cup, and Qatar will be hosting it in 2022. Brazil is the country which won it for most number of times, and it is the only country which participated in all FIFA World Cups. It has won World Cup 5 times, in 1958, 1962, 1970, 1994 and the last time in 2002. And these are the countries which have football as their national sport. We hope that you gained some new knowledge about football today. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.